Have you ever seen a DDE server window when you shut down your computer? If so, here are some troubleshooting steps you can follow. Now, many times, Window Explorer is the culprit behind the DDE server windows. So what you should need to do is to refresh it by opening Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, right-click on it, then select Restart. Next, disable Automatically Hide Taskbar setting. Do it by right-clicking the taskbar, choose Taskbar Settings, then toggle off Automatically Hide Taskbar Setting. Lastly, run a DISM or SFC scan. Do it by opening Command Prompt with admin rights. Type in the following command, then press Enter. Once done, type in the following command as well, then press Enter. So that's how to stop DDE Server from preventing shutdown in your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.